And welcome to the Unity installation and integration for the InBrain Surveys SDK. Let's get started right away. Jump into Unity and let's create a new 2D project. We're going to call this demo InBrain, and let's make sure we store it wherever we want to store it within our file hierarchy. Now we'll press create and let it do its thing here. All right, we've completed the boot up process for our project. Now let us go to our local browser and go to our GitHub where the Unity SDK is stored. That's github.com/inbrain AI /Unity SDK. Here's where we host all of our various releases. And the first thing here is you want to find our latest release in our releases area, which is version 1.1 now. And we want to download the InBrain Surveys.unity package. Once this is downloaded, we'll open it. And as you know, it opens directly in the Unity IDE. So now we want to import those that came with that package. Allow it to do its thing here. Okay, we see now that we have the InBrain here in our assets folder, and we have the scenes. Let's go down to the InBrain demo view and pull that up in our rendering. Now we want to go to our file build settings, and let's select Android and switch that platform now. So we're going to and resolve the Android dependencies as it does here. We can exit out of that when it's complete. Now let's go to our player settings. In the identification, make sure we adjust our package name here. And now we can close out of our build settings and complete our Android dependencies here. All right, that was built successfully. Now we can clear our console. Now let's go to our window InBrain and edit those settings here. This is where you would input your API client and API secret as provided by InBrain during your initial integration consultations and within our dashboard. Next, let's go to the canvas. And this is what our look and feel will be for the InBrain Surveys demo application. Now let's revisit our file build settings. And under Run Device, select the Google Android option. Now we can select Build and Run and just create a Save As location. We'll make it our desktop for now. And save it. All right, now we're opening up our Android emulator to prepare to see this thing in action. All right, it's completed. We should be able to see our InBrain Surveys demo here. All right, here we go. Here's our look and feel, and we'll just open up the InBrain web experience through the orange button here. And this is our InBrain Surveys survey wall, and we're running a test survey now. With the two outcomes of a completion or termination, you're able to test that and see the redirect back to the survey wall. We have completed the integration here. Everything looks good. and we see our points tally up. So this completes our integration using the InBrain Surveys SDK within the Unity platform. Stay tuned for more content by us. And we're always here to service your monetization within app needs via surveys here at InBrain. It's another great day here at InBrain. Thanks.